Hi guys, welcome back to Jetsetting with Sian, where we're talking all things travel around my 9 to 5. So today it's a really exciting day because I've made a purchase of something that I've been wanting for a little while, and I'm definitely going to be using it a lot on my upcoming travels. So that is the DJI Action 5 Pro. And I've really been looking forward to getting this camera just because I did want something that's small, that's waterproof is the main thing, because at the moment I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 and I'm filming on that at the moment, and the quality is 10 out of 10. It's really, really good. So the main reason why I was looking at getting another camera is so I've got something that's waterproof, because obviously the Osmo is not waterproof at all, and also because the gimbal does scare me a little bit from time to time in certain situations. I'm really worried that it is going to get damaged. So that was the main reason why I've gone and bought the Osmo Action 5. Okay, so we're good to go. I literally haven't opened it yet. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. So this is the adventure combo, which comes with like the extension handle and a couple of other accessories as well. Okay, so in the box it's packed in like this, and then this side is the camera itself, and this side is the accessories, and then in the bottom of the box we've got what I assume is the handle. So it is a bit bigger than what I thought it was going to be, considering the camera is so small. But here is the handle. It's got like a rubber kind of grip on there as well. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe a bit bigger than I thought, because the camera is so small. I thought you wouldn't need, I suppose, a handle that's that big. And I know that the extension handle on the Osmo Pocket 3 is quite a good size, like it's probably only about that long. So maybe I thought that the handle on the Action Cam would be a little bit smaller, but let's see. So the camera itself is so cute and so tiny. It is literally this big. Let's see. So, and like hand reference. So yeah, tiny, but very, very, very good. From the reviews I've seen, it is really good. And I think from having the Osmo Pocket 3, and we've also got one of the Mini 3 Pro drone as well. So I feel like I trust the DJI products are good quality, and it just, yeah, I feel like when I was researching it I was quite happy with the product. So we've also got the case. Okay, so that's everything. Oh, and then I think these are like the little screws that you can attach this onto, and then obviously there's a couple of different attachments that you can use to like mount the camera, which I think is ideal. So that's everything that was in the first box. Got a box for accessories. So let's see what we have in here. Another one of the like mount adapters. Then we have got a charging cable, and we've got some stickers. I did see that you get a load of stickers with this. And then here is like the little battery power bank. So I think this is such a good idea. So they're all like charging together and they're all in the same place. And I just think it's so good for like traveling and storage that, you know, 3 more batteries are in here. So that is, I'm sure, going to come in handy. And I've seen that the battery life on the Action 5 is meant to be pretty good. So to have all the extra batteries as well, I'm sure, you know, it'd last for quite a long time when you're filming. But if not, then it's literally, it's smaller than my power bank that I take when I'm traveling anyway. So I think that is pretty good. Very happy with it. So I'm really excited to try it. I won't be on my travels again until a month's time, but I will be taking this to Thailand, and I'm just planning on using it alongside my Pocket 3. I mean, obviously I can't compare the quality between the two, and I think they can be used for similar things like vlogging and stuff, but I think like the Action 5 you can obviously do a lot more with, in terms of, you know, like filming underwater, filming things that, you know, you'd use the stabilization for and stuff as well. So yeah, really excited to use both alongside each other. Also hoping to take the drone to Thailand as well, so it is going to be all 3, hopefully, DJI products that we get to use. But yeah, overall really happy with this little guy. So I think I might get everything unpacked properly and give it a little try. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and let me know, have you tried the Action 5 Pro? Is it something on your wish list, or do you have another product that you prefer instead? So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.